my darlings, how are you doing? Thank you for registering for Pregnancy Yoga and Garbha Sanskar workshop. Now today I'm going to discuss with you the major pregnancy problems, the symptoms which you are facing, probably because of which you've registered for the workshop. Tell me what problems you're facing. Is it back pain, which is very common? Which are the problems? Breathlessness, indigestion, bloating, nausea, morning sickness, gas, breathlessness while you lie down and try to sleep, or breathlessness while you're going for walks, leg pain, exertion, getting tired very often, and sleep issues. You're twisting and turning on your bed. You're not understanding what is your right posture to sleep. And you're so confused whether you should practice yoga, whether you should do normal yoga, whether you should do prenatal yoga, whether you should do Pilates, gym, or just go for a walk. And at the same time, you are thinking about all this so much that you're getting stressed and anxiety, because whatever you're doing, maybe you are looking at some videos on YouTube, trying certain things. Maybe you have done yoga before and you have certain knowledge and you thought you'll manage on your own, but that's not helping. Also, you are someone who is maybe doing a job, you're really busy, or you're just busy with your housework, with your kitchen, maybe you have another kids, and you're just not finding time for yourself to practice yoga and meditation. And that's where you're feeling stuck. And that's the reason you're here, right? I want you to write below what problems you're facing so that I can help you further during the workshop. Now, let's handle one thing at a time. Understand something. Everybody is different. Everybody's body is different. Hence, every pregnancy is different. Certain clients of mine who have been with me, they could even do shoulder stand till the last week before their delivery. And some of them had a problem where they could not even lie down on their back for some time to do certain postures. So you need to accept yourself, accept your body, and make peace with it and work around it. Now that's the mistake probably you're doing. You're looking at, somebody else and you're trying to follow them, or you're watching certain video on YouTube, you're trying to follow that. And maybe you had certain knowledge of yoga, you're trying to follow that, and it's not working for you, because you need an expert, somebody who's a pregnancy expert who understands you, understands your body, understands your condition, and helps you and guides you accordingly. So if you're having back pain, certain things, there are certain postures which you can do which will really help you. But maybe for some people it may not help. So you need to find certain modification. That's where I help people. I do prenatal yoga, but I do with props. I do Iyengar yoga. So Iyengar yoga is a very safe option, because what happens is when you're using props, you can be careful about no injuries over here. All right. So that's one thing which you can follow. Other than that, if you're having a lot of bloating, gas, indigestion, try to go for a little bit of walks, after your meal. That will help you get some movement, okay? What happens is during your pregnancy, your baby is taking most of the space in your belly, right? So all your organs, your intestine, your stomach, everything is getting squashed and it's getting cramped. So because there is no space, there is problem related to digestion. You need to understand the science behind it, then you'll be able to heal it better. One thing I'm going to suggest, which is going to really help you, your biggest takeaway from this video, is you're going to sit in Vajrasan after all your meal. Just sit in Vajrasan, do some breathing exercise, and that will really help you. All right. Other than that, if you're getting bloated constantly, there is indigestion, you also need to check your food habits, your food psychology. Analyze what food you had which created the problem so that you can rectify it. Again, there is food ahar, which I'll make a separate video, and you watch that, and there you'll get all the details related to the food. And more details, of course, I'll be sharing in my webinar. All right. Other than that, if you're someone who's getting breathless while you're walking or while you're lying down, these are two different things. As I mentioned, during pregnancy, the baby is taking all the space in your belly. So all the organs are getting lift it up, right? So your digestive system is getting squashed. Also, your thoracic cavity is getting lifted. So your everything is getting restricted over here, your lungs, etc. So there is restricted breath which is happening. So that's the reason, if you're somebody maybe who could go for trek before, but now even if you're doing normal walks, you're not able to manage that, right? So because of which, you need to start practicing pranayam. You need to start doing breath work. There are multiple breath work like Anulom Vilom, Brahmari Pranayam, Ujjayi breathing, Prandharna, box breathing, so many, lymphatic breathing, which you should start practicing. I'm going to teach few of them in my workshop. Make sure you're there live to learn it. Make sure you attend my webinar. All right. Other than this, the second thing which I mentioned was, many of you feel breathless when you lie down and you're having sleeping problems. What happens is, when you lie down on your back, the oxygen supply gets cut towards you and for the baby. That's the reason even doctors will suggest, that your gynac must have suggested it to you, that you should lie down on your side. Now there is a certain posture which you should find, you take cushion and you lie down so that you create space between your leg and your belly and the bed. Otherwise, again, it's going to get uncomfortable, and it's suggested that you lie down on the left side so you get better oxygen supply and your breathing is more comfortable. So that is something you have to understand, try it, and find that posture which is comfortable for your sleeping. There are multiple other things which can be done, and everything can't be explained on the video, because of which I'm doing the webinar. Make sure you're there live. Make sure you do not miss this opportunity, and I will share all my secrets of my miracle pregnancy secrets, which I've been using for years together. I have been in the industry for 15 years, trained over 2 lakh people and multiple pregnant women to have healthy, smart, intelligent baby by making their pregnancy journey really smooth, easy, comfortable by practicing pregnancy yoga and Garbha Sanskar. I have really put in a lot of effort to develop my program, and I really want to share this with you. I'm super excited about it. You let me know if you are excited. Type excited in the comment below once you watch this video. At the same time, I want you to share with me what are the problems you are facing related to your pregnancy, what are the fears you're facing related to your pregnancy, so that I can help you solve them. All right, I would love to help you out. Be there live at the workshop, because I don't know when I'm going to do it next. So don't miss this opportunity. I will see you live. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Love and care, Naushina Shaikh. Thank you.